Hey guys, I've got a beauty. This is Sidewinder's American KC-40 is the model number. Beautiful lock. Shackle does move. Feels like stone. It's obviously some sort of metal, but it is a wafer lock, which is interesting. Not picked one of these on cam, so yeah, let's have a little crack at it. I believe these got four wafers in them. And after my latest trouble with counting pins and stuff, I'm going to just check. Okay, we've got a bit of spring tension there on the core, so I'm going to turn it that way. Let's just check here is 4 or 5. 1, 2. There's either something between 2 and 3. I think it's just, I don't know, it could be another one. Let's have a little fiddle. Okay, to the back. And I'm just going to try and pick it like a pin tumbler to see what's going on. Do the top first, and then have a crack at the bottom. So nothing on 4, nothing on 3. Maybe 5 actually. Okay, so nothing on 5, nothing on 4, bit on 3. Okay, a little bit on 1 where I just touched it. I thought these only had 4. 4, yeah, there's 4. Okay. 4 is right down, little movement on 3. Okay, nothing much on 2. 1's giving me a bit of feedback actually. Oh, look out! I didn't have to go downstairs at all. Fantastic, we have an open. Oh, there's a screw down in there. Do I dare try and take that apart? Okay. It's a flathead. Let's stick a screwdriver inside it and see what happens. I'll have it on camera if anything does go belly up, I suppose. I'll know where to put it back. Okay. Doesn't look like a normal screw. Sorry, excuse me. Let's try and push that through. No, I don't think it does. I don't know what that's for though. Oh well, it was worth a go. If there is any movement on that, I don't want to ruin the keyway doing that. If there's any movement, I will. I'll do another or post some pictures of it. Either way, I don't think so, and I'm not going to force it because it's such a beautiful lock. Anyway, thank you guys. I'm not going to waffle on either too much longer. Sidewinder, you're an absolute legend, mate. Fantastic box of locks. Going to have a lot of fun with these. And that was the KC-40 American Wafer lock. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers. Take it easy. Catch you all very soon. And be good.